Hello, friends, and welcome to another video lesson from DBOS Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of new uploads. This video is in the playlist called Linux Tutorial, and here we'll be learning about the Linux echo command. This echo command is very commonly used in Linux, and it's used to print or display text or variable values to standard output. Standard output, I mean, in the terminal or in the monitor. So we'll be talking about variables in a different video. Um, but for now, let's just focus on the echo command. So the echo command has a very simple syntax, echo, and then the options, and then the string. When we talk of string, again, if you have seen my previous videos, if you haven't, I do suggest you start from the very beginning of this playlist so that you can understand what a string is. A string is a bunch of characters which go together as one. That's my very simple definition of that. So it could be literal characters, A to Z. It could be numeric characters, 0 to 9, and anything in between. So any character at all that go together as one, they may be ideally enclosed in a pair of single quotes or double quotes, then that constitutes what you call a string. Okay, so we will try a couple of scenarios how we can use the echo command. Again, we'll be talking about its use involving variables in some other videos, not now. Okay, let's just start with this scenario here. So displaying, if you display one word using the echo command. So you can say echo and then the word you want to display, and it will print. When we say print, it doesn't mean using a printer, but it's a word in IT which has been around for decades, for many decades, even before I came into the industry. And print simply means to display. So in this case, it is printing or displaying the text in the standard output, which is the terminal, or you can call it monitor, or this is a terminal. Okay, so that's echo uh, being used to display one word. Take note that Linux is case sensitive for the most part. So even the echo command, when you display a text using the echo command, it will display the text exactly the way you have typed it. So in this case, I have typed the word hello with an uppercase H. So similarly, it will display it in that manner. That's because it's Linux. Okay. Now let's look at a scenario which is displaying a word in uppercase, just to show you, although it's very, very obvious, and I've showed it in previous videos as well. So echo hello, this time the hello is all the letters of the word are in uppercase. So since Linux is case sensitive, then it will take very seriously the way you have specified the string called hello. I mean, not called hello, but a string with the value hello. So it will also display the string in all uppercase. Special note, even though echo may work well in displaying multiple words, even without the use of a single quote, a pair of single quotes or double quotes, it is considered best practice to enclose the string in quotes, especially for the sake of clarity. I'll give you an example. So we'll be getting to that in this next scenario. So displaying multiple words using double quotes. It is best practice when you're displaying using the echo command multiple words. It's best practice to use a pair of either single quotes or double quotes. So echo, hello friends. You can see the string here starts from hello and all the way it ends to the word friends. And it will display it as is case sensitive, and like I said, because it's multiple words involved in the string, then it's best to enclose them in a pair of double quotes. Similarly, you can be using, for the same purpose, a pair of single quotes. So this time displaying multiple words using pair of single quotes instead of a pair of double quotes, although it does the same trick. So echo, and then your string enclosed in a pair of single quotes. okay? And it will exactly, display it exactly the way you have specified it or typed it. So in the previous examples, we have used echo command to display text. This time, let's see how to use it to show number values. Okay, so let me just clear again the screen. It's clean. And this time we'll be displaying one number value or one numeric value. Okay, so I'll put it in here. Again, it's the echo command, and we have some numeric value over there. 789,012. Okay, and it displays the number. And we can, just to reinforce, get you confident with the use of the echo command, we can also try displaying multiple number values. And taking the cue from the previous examples on displaying multiple words, we will also enclose the whole string in a pair of double quotes. Okay, that is because if you look it up, actually in Linux or even Unix, the echo command is used to output only string values. So even though in this example I'm showing you I am using numeric values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, in reality, Linux echo command treats these as text, as string. So that's why when again, the best practice applies that if I want to display multiple values of this one, multiple text, even though they look like numbers, the echo command can only treat them and display them and process them as text or as a string. Now let's just, so that there's no confusion, let me try this example, displaying a combination of literal words and numbers, again, using the echo command, okay? But remember that when we use the echo command, it is always used to output text or in a string format or in a string value. So echo, I have 10 books. You can see it's a mix of literal characters there, real words, as well as a numeric value, which is 10. But in reality, the whole bunch is just a single string. Okay, and then it will display that. Finally, we'll be learning how to print an empty line. Okay, this print an empty line. What do I mean? You're printing a blank line. It's just a new line. Okay, you can see what I mean by that. So the first way, I don't have so many ways, but the first way of doing it is actually the simplest, is simply to type the word or the command echo. And you can see, although you will see, I don't see anything, but actually you see an empty new line there. After the echo command has been executed, a blank line is being displayed and followed by the command prompt that you see. Okay, so that was created by the echo command. The second way of printing an empty line is using empty quotes. So echo and then a pair of double quotes. It's not double quote with a space in between, but it's simply a pair of double quotes with nothing in between. So it's an empty quote. It has an value inside, okay? So it does the same thing. It is printing an empty line or just creating a new line, okay? So in this video, we have learned how to use the echo command, and that is how we can display numeric or literal values. But remember that no matter what kind of text you're printing or showing, echo is only being used to display text, okay, or string. So there will be no mathematical computation processing that will be involved in it. Okay, so thank you for watching and listening. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.